The Kerala Tripura People Foundation to organize a commemorative event in Kerala to celebrate the 180th birth anniversary of Maharaja Bir Bikram Kishore Manikya Bahadur on 19 August. During a press conference regarding the upcoming birth anniversary event, Tripura People Foundation Vice President Vijay Singh Kolai and Kishore Manikya Bahadur announced that interested individuals can contact in the number 60098511911 for further information and participation.
Ambai, this Chini People Foundation Vicente Kai Kerala group Kai Toman Vicente, some Transmit Kaidan Bagi Map Heko Drawa, Ani Logio Tongo, Chini Kerala Hasin Kesiar, Chini Takupanik, Tai Ani Logo Tongo Chini Kerala People Foundation senior leader, Galay Activo Tongo, Chini Mr. Komal. Abang loge ang sampai sampungo, Kerala Tripura Foundation ini songjak, Lukrani songjak Vice President Vijay Singh Kolai. Mungkin orang ni thani sung payment karon kau mana, Tripura Foundation Vicente Kaya Payne 19 August sini Kerala hajo sung wansuk lagi, jodoh no discussion payment Vicente sung tine saklainan bagi ma pekya, abang sa 19 August Budbar layo. Chini Maharaja Bir Bikram Kishore Manikya Bahadur ni aseman isal, bonus seng palainya bagai Chini Kerala Tripura Foundation seng site itu tongo, omaikan ang joto lukrano koinai bolte, je Kerala hasil tongai Chini Tripura saro, je samun khai tong painai, job khai tong painai joto Tripura saro koinai noro 19 August seng bai baksa Chini Maharaja ni birthday celebration khaina bagai noro seng invite khayo eba kobozo. Norok Paidi, jadi norok sungbai kontak kainan bagai angorok tu kangen number di luar no, or number bisa tu norok kontak Paidi 19 August Chini Maharaja Bir Bikram Kishore Manikya Bahadur ni asema salo celebration kainan bagai sung joto no thangsa kai malai man bisa tu sung pandra kainan thangu tongo, omai kan norok joto no Paidi sung joto no palpaksa kai celebration kainan ni, omana ang koinai joto Kerala haja tongai Tripura sana tai sini Kerala Tripura Foundation bisite sungno no obonu kobo ke jotana hambai lomka jotana.
Pure report, Chini Khorang.